Gotta take my glasses off so you guys think I'm cool. All right, more Foothills Trail stuff. Whitewater Falls River, Foothills Trail, Lower Whitewater Falls, overlook 1.7 miles. That's a lot. We better get busy. All right, here we are. Part 2 of my series here, Whitewater Falls, North Carolina, South Carolina today. This one is in South Carolina, right down the road, not even a couple miles from Upper Whitewater Falls. Now we are going to Lower Whitewater Falls. Unfortunately, the sign back there said 1.6 miles, so we've got a little bit of a hike to do to get to it. The other one was super, super short and easy. This one, it looks like we're not so lucky. You'll see I'm wearing the same attire that I had in the last video, because I'm doing it on the same day. So today's one of those rare days where the destinations were close together, so I thought I'm never gonna be closer than today to knock out Lower Whitewater Falls too. So it'd be really interesting to compare and contrast the two. So in the parking lot, I showed you a little video at the start. Not a lot of folks here. Maybe the 1.6 mile hike scares them off. Maybe it's just not as spectacular as the other one. So a lot less. Early impressions are there are a ton less people on the trail, so I'm over here just blasting the Arctic Monkeys Tranquility Base Hotel and Casino album. I don't know if you guys have heard that. Whoa. Take it easy for a little while. Come and stay with us. Such an easy flight. It looks like blue blazes mark this trail. Trail is really pretty, really well maintained. Coming up on some signage here, so we'll see what's up with that. Foothills Trail, which we've been on a few times today. The Lower Whitewater Falls, 1.7 miles. All right, I mean, we're committed at this point, but for those keeping score at home, that was about 3/4 of a mile to that junction. So just bear that in mind. We are probably looking at least 5 miles total round trip for this thing. And I did the thing that I'm always known for. I started late, so the sun is right there and dropping. So I'm gonna bet that we're gonna be fighting daylight by the time that we're on our way back. So, all right, guys, I'm also probably not gonna dick around too much with many more video clips until I get to the falls. Really pushing the pace. It's keeping me a little bit out of breath, so probably not gonna get much cinematography because the trail's so long. Oh my gosh. I'm glistening. My face is so sweaty. This is nothing but uphill. Good Lord. Update here. Lower Whitewater Falls, 0.9 miles, and we had one back there that said we were 1.5 miles away from the parking area, so that leaves us with a freaking math. I'll put it on the screen. That many miles. That many miles. And now the trail has opened up into a gravel road. All right, guys, looks like we're about to get off the gravel road. I'm just saying, after the work that I've done here, this better be a great waterfall. Otherwise, I'm gonna recommend sending you guys straight to Upper Falls, because it's been a lot. It's been a lot. And there's Lower Falls. And I have to say, in the words of the Strokes, is this it? So I've made it to Lower Whitewater Falls. Honestly, a little underwhelmed by the view. I'm gonna get my drone out and fly around anyway, but at this point, I'm gonna say that Upper Falls is by far the better value for your effort, far and away. Don't even entertain the thoughts of coming to Lower Whitewater Falls if all you wanna do is see a waterfall, because this sucks compared to Upper Falls. This trail just isn't worth it. I hate to say that. We all wanna be rewarded for our effort, but I'm gonna get my drone out and fly it around, and I'll show you guys the footage. All right, guys, so I'm laying on this little wooden platform above Lower Falls, contemplating how bad it's gonna suck making that long walk back to the parking lot. So if you guys make this hike, just be aware, it's quite a long journey to get down here. You're gonna be doing at least 5, maybe 6 miles by the time you make it down there, and lots of elevation change along the way. So just be aware it's a long hike, and be prepared for underwhelming views. I mean, honestly, the views are at Upper Falls. So if you wanna get out, get a little exercise, this is a great option. It's a well-maintained, nice enough trail. But Upper Falls is where the views are, especially for photographic and dronography purposes. That's where you're gonna wanna be. Specifically that loop going around the top of the rim of the valley there. So just keep that in mind. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I've got lots more content on the way, lots more places I'm gonna go to. So please just subscribe if you like this type of thing. If you don't, tell one of your friends to subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.